Hello students, in this video we will discuss about the number system. So let us start. First of all, we will read what has been written in your book. Whatever data you give to the computer for processing, be it number, letter, word, computer, computer always translates them into numbers, as computer can represent data using only numbers. Various methods of representing such numbers form the number system. Thus, number system is a way to represent numbers. Number system. Now, the number system is a way to represent numbers. The digits that form these numbers represent different values depending on the position they occupy in the number. The values for each digit in number can be represented using the digits that it is, the position and the base or radix. Now we will understand this. It means, first of all, we will understand what is the number. Here it has been clearly written that a number is a measure of quantity. It means by the number we can find in what amount any quantity is there. For example, if we want to measure the weight of some rice, then what will be this? This will be 1 kg, 2 kg, 3 kg, 4 kg. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 represents the measure, right? Now, what is that? That is the weight, right? So here we can generally say, likewise here, the length of a wire, 1 meter, 2 meter, 1.5 meter, 3 meter, 100 meter. So here number 1, 2, 3, 100 represents the, here this is number. So in general we can say a number is the measure of quantity. And number system, there is certain method or system by which numbers are represented, and this is known as number system. It has been written here. The number system is way to represent the number system. There are various type of the number system we will see. Now, when in a number system we represent the number, we keep in mind following things: the digit that it is and the position of the digit in the number, which is place value, and here the digit for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these are the digits, and the position, it means unit, tens, 100, 1000. Clear? These are the positions. And after that, the base or radix. Let us understand what are the base. The total number of the digits available in that number system that forms the base or radix of the number system, right? It means when in a number system, when we represent the number, three things are basically of concern. What are these? The number, it means the digit, then the place value, and then the base or radix. Here one thing is to be very important. In the different types of the number system, different digits are used, and the number of these digits in a number system are known as radix or base. Clear? For example, in decimal number system, we generally use in mathematics has 10 digits: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It has we use only these 10 digits in decimal system. That is why it is known as decimal number system. So here we will discuss different types of the number system, that is binary number system, decimal number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system one by one. So let us see binary number system. The binary number system is used to represent number using only two digits, 0 and 1. 0 represents off and 1 represents on. Alternately, 0 is used to represent low voltage and 1 it represent high voltage. 1 to represent high voltage in a computer circuit. Thus, binary number system has its base 2, as only two digits are used to represent a binary number. For example, 1 0 0 1 1, here 2 1 1 0 2. This subscript shows the base or radix of the number system. Here 2 shows that it is binary number because 2 is the base of binary. Each digit in a binary number is called bit. Bit is the unit of memory, right? Which is an acronym of binary digits. So here, what is the binary number system? Binary number system is that number system in which 0 and 1, strings of 0 and 1 are used to represent a number. And here only two digits are there. Therefore, its base is 2. Clear? And these are some examples of binary digits. And here the base shows the base 2 shows that it is in binary. Okay? And the unit. And here in when we talk electronically, we want to explain it electronically or a storage system, then computer can only understand the high voltage or low voltage, or in general switch off and switch on. It means current is passing or current is not passing in the circuit. Then off system is represented by 0 and on is represented by 1. And using these two systems, binary system can be utilized by the computer. Therefore, many of the computers work on binary number system, right? And here 0 or 1 means off or on can be stored in the memory, and this is off and on can be, or 0 or 1 can be stored in the memory using 0 and 1, and this is the smallest unit of storage, so it is known as bit, right? So here, what is binary number system? Binary number system is the number system in which strings of 0 and 1 are used. Its base is 2, and in this 2 digits 0 and 1 are used, right? And here one fact is there. The binary number system was developed by a famous mathematician of 17th century, Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz. Clear? It means the binary number system was developed in 17th century by a mathematician whose name was Gottfried Wilhelm and Leibniz. Clear? These two mathematicians were there. Clear? A famous mathematician of 17th century, Gottfried Wilhelm and Leibniz, invented the binary number system. These two here, Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz, right? Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz. These are not two mathematicians. This is one single mathematician. This is G.W. Leibniz. It means Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz. Clear? Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz discovered the binary number system in 17th century. Now we will discuss this decimal number system. Here dec means 10. So here in this number system 10 digits are used from 0 to 9. And here 10 digits are there, therefore its base is 10. And some examples are 1, 0, 4, 6, 10. All the numbers The number system we generally use in mathematics is decimal number system. Okay, in our daily life we generally use decimal number system. So what has been written here? The decimal number system is the number system which we humans are all accustomed. It means we use it in daily life. Here 10 digits ranging from 0 to 9 is used to represent a number. The base of decimal number system is 10, as 10 digits can be used to represent a number. Example 7394. The subscript shows the base or radix. 1046, base 10, etc. However, the decimal number system is not recognized by the computer internally. Computer basically work on binary number system. Clear? Now next, here you can see the fact the decimal number system is also called Hindu-Arabic numeral system, was invented between the 1st and 4th centuries by Indian mathematician. Right? This is the fact. This is also known as Hindu-Arabic number system. Now here next thing is octal number system. The octal number system, oct means 8. It means in this type of the number system 8 digits are used. 8 digits from 0 to 7. 8 digits are used. So its base is 8. Now listen. The octal number system is another number system used in computer. It uses digits ranging from 0 to 7 to represent a number. The base of octal number system is 8 because 8 digits are used here. 8 digits can be used to represent a number. Example 7324 base. This subscript shows the base 40128, etc. Now next thing is, for example, here octal number system. In the octal number system, how can you say it? Octal number system is that number system in which 8 digits are used from 0 to 7. Its base is 8 to represent different numbers, right? Hexadecimal number system. Hexa means 10, decimal matlab. Hexa means 6 and dex means 10. It means 16. So hexadecimal number system. In this 16 digits are used to represent the number from 0 to 9 and from A to F, right? So here the base is 16. So let us see what has been written here. The hexadecimal number system is a number system used in computer. It is very unique within itself. The base of number system is 16, as we have already discussed, as 16 digits can be used to represent number. Using this number system, among the 16 digit that is used in hexadecimal number, the first 10 digits ranges from 0 to 9, as we have already discussed, but subsequent digits are A to represent 10, B to represent 11, C to represent 12, D for 13, E for 14, and F for 15. Here we have discussed. Example 4, 8, AB 16, FACE 16, etc. It means hexadecimal number system is that number system in which 16 digits are used to represent a number. Its base is 16, and here digits from 0 to 9 and letters from A to F are used. Clear? From digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 is represented by A, 11 by B, and 12 by C, 13 by D, 14 by E, and 15 by F. So this is how this hexadecimal number system. This is, and here you can represent the any number using hexadecimal number system. Now here you can see here the summary. Number system base or digits to be used in such numbers. In decimal number system, base 10 digits are used. And what are these? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In binary number system, 2 digits are used. That is why base is 2. And these digits are 0 and 1. In octal number system, 8 digits are used. That what are these? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And in hexadecimal number systems, base is 16 because 16 digits are used. 0 to 9, 0 to 9, and A to F, right? Clear? So this is the summary of number system here. Now here we will discuss how to represent the numbers in number system, right? First of all, we will discuss what has been written in your book. Numbers of a particular number system are represented by its base. This helps in identifying what number system a number belongs to. For example, the number 12 may be decimal number or octal number or hexadecimal number because digit 1, 2 are present here in decimal, octal as well as hexadecimal number system. But if you want to specify that 12 is decimal number, represent it by its base as subscript. Example 12, 10. Similarly, if 12 was an octal number, it would be represented 12 base 8, and for hexadecimal 12 16. It means what? When we represent numbers, we should write the base of the number system as subscript. This will help the reader to understand in which number system that number is. So first of all, number is written and then base is written as subscript, or you can write the number in bracket and you can write the base out as a subscript of the bracket, right? Here you can 1, 2 is used in all the numbers in octal, decimal and hexadecimal. So it can be, if you write the number like this 12, there will be a confusion whether the number is in decimal number system, hexadecimal number system or octal number system. That is why to specify the number system, you will have to write the base. Here you can write 10 if it is in subscript, 10 to so that it is in decimal number system. If it is in octal number system, you can write 1 and 2 base 8. If it is in hexadecimal number, you will have to write. It means you will have to write the base or radix. So this is how a number is represented in number system using base.